Guys, so got a little carry case for the Mavic Pro. Just going to show you guys. This was £13. I'm going to leave the link in the description for you guys if you want to buy it. Like I said, it's pretty cool. It's made out of like suitcase material, reasonably tough. I certainly want to smash it around, but it's quite sturdy. It's probably got cardboard or thin plastic in the corners and on top. So let's open it up. So we've got the compartments, controller, quadcopter, possibly charger, so we'll have a look in a minute, see if it all fits, and some batteries. Got a little handle on the front, but you've got this also strap if you want to put it around your waist. So let's get the bits in and see what they look like. So the controller fits quite nice. And that's the charger in. And that's the quadcopter in. Got this gold stripe. I think it looks quite nice, to be fair. It goes with the original Mavic gold stripes. I'll leave a link in the description for that as well. That was like £2. Just finishes off the quadcopter quite nicely, to be honest with you. So that's it in the case. Pretty cool. So what I do, I use the little protective cover which come in the box, just to stop the propellers from scratching the top. Leave that there, and then away you go. Got yourself your carry case.